This $50 banknote from Jamaica holds a quiet piece of the island's heart. In 2007, $50 could bring a warm meal, a ride across town, or a small comfort that made a long day easier. But its real value lived in the hands that held it. People working, hoping, believing that even the smallest earnings could shape a brighter tomorrow. Perhaps this very note once helped someone take one more step forward, guided by the gentle rhythm that carries Jamaica through every storm. Because on this island, hope isn't loud, it's steady. If you enjoy stories like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly helps us continue.